Hi, this is Leo, and I'm going to show you how you can easily convert an image or a PDF file that you have on your Google Drive into a Google Doc that you can go back and actually type in. So right now I have two example files ready to go, and I just took these from an art appreciation book that I have. And this first one is an image, so I can't go back and edit this, it's just the plain picture. So what I need to do is come back to the file, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to get this window that has a number of options, and I want to go to Open With, Google Docs. When I do that, this window is going to open. It's going to show that it's converting that image right now. And when the next page opens up, it's going to show the image on the top. And then if I scroll down, it's going to show that converted. And every once in a while, there's going to be a mistake in that conversion. It looks like there's only one spelling mistake here. So I'll right click, fix that one, and then if I need to make any other adjustments, I can do that. But it's definitely much easier than sitting there and retyping the entire document. It's just a quick way to convert it. So let's try it with the PDF now. We're going to go back here, find the PDF, right click, Open With, Google Docs. And just like before, it's going to take a moment for this to convert. And then just as before as well, we can see if there's any spelling mistakes here, and it looks like there's a few. So we can click on these, fix those pretty quickly. And just like before, it's much easier than going back and retyping the entire document, or the PDF, or the image file. So hopefully that helps you, and when you have a second, give it a try. It's pretty easy to do.